Hello and welcome to our video. In today's packaging industry, efficiency and precision are crucial. Our fully automated Plasticine packaging machine, which combines extrusion and packaging functions, brings a whole new experience to your production. First, the operator manually feeds the product into the hopper and the machine begins to feed the material into the extrusion system. Next, the extruder extrudes the product evenly to ensure that each part is handled precisely to achieve the desired production results. In the shape forming section, we use a variety of molds to shape the product according to different needs, ensuring a perfect appearance. The precision cutting system then precisely cuts the extruded product to the set length, ensuring that each product meets packaging standards. The packaging film automatically enters the bag formers smoothly and efficiently, ready to provide high-quality packaging protection for each product. The color markings on the film are accurately tracked through an intelligent sensor system, ensuring that the cutter cuts the proper bag length and avoids any errors. During the bag making process, the film is efficiently processed by the bag making machine and quickly made into bags. The adjustable feature of the machine ensures adaptation to different product size requirements. The vertical sealing system ensures that each bag opening is securely sealed, protecting the safety and freshness of the product. Our Plasticine packaging machine adopts 304 stainless steel as the part in contact with food to ensure food safety. Equipped with a 7-inch touch screen to control the packaging machine and extruder separately, the two parts can realize precise linkage and simple and intuitive operation. Whether it's soft materials or complex shapes, our Plasticine packaging machine is able to cope with them with ease, precisely extruding and packaging to ensure that each product meets high standards. Our Plasticine packaging machine is a fully automated packaging line that integrates extrusion and packaging, which can reduce manual operations, avoid contact with the product, reduce contamination and deformation, and make your production cleaner and more efficient. Whether it's improving productivity or ensuring product quality, our Plasticine packaging machines offer the perfect solution for you. Contact us to find out more and start your journey towards intelligent production.